Hi, I want to tell you a bit about Shojin Ryori style of cooking, as this is one of the foundations of macrobiotic cooking, which we are teaching here at the International Macrobiotic School. Shojin Ryori is one of the kind of roots of macrobiotic cooking. It's a style of cooking that was created by Japanese nuns and monks around the 13th century in Japan. And it was designed to really enhance their meditation and create a very strong sense of inner balance and calm and peacefulness to enhance the meditation and finding a very nice, peaceful place, and to make it easier to develop spiritual awareness. So we're very lucky on September to have Kinu coming down from the Japan Center, who's going to teach a day's class on this. It's a very special way of cooking. So if you're into Japanese cooking or Oriental cooking, or if you're interested in a style of cooking that really enhances inner calm and inner peace, really reduces anxieties and an overactive mind, brings the energy down, grounding, centering, then you could really get a lot from this day. One of the emphases of Shojin Ryori cooking is that every meal contains 5 colors, so there's a variety. Also the 5 main flavors in every meal, so that all the body organs are nourished. The 5 main organ pairs are nourished by these 5 different colors and flavors. And the idea is that most of the flavor comes from the careful cooking of the foods, and also using a little bit of different kinds of seasonings, vinegars and sour tastes and salty tastes and so on, but principally bringing the flavor out of the food. So the food, so Shojin Ryori cuisine has very special flavor, quite kind of delicate in a sense, but also really beautiful flavors. And the idea is to really nourish the body as well as develop one's spirituality. So if this interests you, please have a look at further details on our website. There's a link next to this where you can go to our website and find out more, or contact us for more information. And it would be wonderful to see you and have you come learn some Shojin Ryori recipes, which you'll be learning hands-on. Okay, thank you very much.